Nice one, Pony. That beats Ambi's jump by 7 feet 2 inches. Mark it.
Not bad, but I can still beat it.
Yeah, Jose. We all know you're the best at everything.
Okay, Junk Boy, you're next. Then Meteor, clear the road and let a real pro show you how it's done.
Jose, wait. It's not your turn.
It is now. Fire it up. Woohoo! Wow, he really is the best at everything. And Jose breaks the record again. Woohoo! I'm too hot to handle. School time!
Okay, class, today's race is a 2x2 gunk run. A combination of team racing and automotive demolition that requires you and a teammate to work together to win.
I wonder which lucky truck gets to be on my team.
Are you listening, Jose?
Yes, sir, Big Wheelie. Go team!
All right, moving on. Let's go over the course together. Teams must drive around different tracks to arrive at the gunk pond at the same time. One member of each team must push this heavy ramp into place in time for their teammate to make the jump and ring the bell. I really hope everyone is listening. You don't want to end up in the gunk. Whichever team rings the bell in the fastest time wins. Here are the teams: Ambi and Sinker, Meteor and Sarge, LT and Junk Boy, and last but not least, Ponytail and Jose. So, are you ready to race? Then grab your teammates and let's go, go, go!
Saddle up, Ponytail.
Right behind you, partner.
You have a few minutes to check out the course. I'm sure you'll find a surprise or two underneath all this gunk. Remember, it's up to you to pick which team member is best suited to do which task. The key to winning is teamwork.
That's a pretty big ramp, Sarge. It's going to take a lot of monster muscle to move it.
Well, I'm bigger than you, Space Cadet, so it makes sense that I do the heavy work and you do the jumping.
Yep, that adds up. You'd make a great rocket scientist.
I want to jump. I want to. Please. Go for it, Junk Boy. I was built to haul that ramp into place.
Jose, come check this out.
Don't worry. I can jump anything.
Jump? But y'all are bigger than me. Maybe you should do the pushing and I do the jumping. Big truck, little truck, you follow?
Did you say something?
We're supposed to be a team.
I got it. You don't have to keep telling me. I'm glad you're on my team. Who better to move that ramp for me?
Jose, you're not listening. Ugh, why couldn't I be paired up with somebody else?
I'll get that ramp into place. You just need to hit it hard. You bet. Junk Boy.
Junk Boy.
Hey, there's something funny about this ramp.
Let me take a look. No wonder Junk Boy got stuck. It's a skid ramp. Unless you hit those traction pads just right, it's as slippery as ice.
And you know how unsafe that is.
It's lucky we discovered it in time. I wouldn't want to take a bath in that mess.
It doesn't look so bad to me.
Jose, wait up! There's a problem. The gunk jump.
We've been over this. You get the ramp in place, I'll nail the jump.
But there's something else. Listen!
Okay, teams. I hope you've got a game plan because it's race time.
Come on, Ponytail. Let's show 'em how it's done.
All ready for the big race, Jose?
You bet, Big Wheelie.